Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you this makeup look, and this is just my take on a no makeup look. So in today's video I really won't be talking because it's a get ready with me because I'm getting ready to go somewhere. So I'm just going to list all the products that I use in the description box down below. So really quickly I want to tell you about this product that I'm featuring in this video, which is the First Aid Ultra Repair Tinted Moisturizer, and this does have a natural luminous finish. So when it says natural luminous finish, like this foundation is like a sheer to, you know, a sheer to light coverage. So you're not going to get any coverage out of this foundation. I mean, it may even out the skin tone, but it's going to leave it looking very radiant. So if you have oily skin, this is a product that you may not like, but I love to use it underneath my foundation because I think that it gives me such a really beautiful, healthy glow. So I love to use this as a base underneath my foundation. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, be sure to keep watching, and don't forget that all products used will be listed in the description box down below, just in case you're interested in what a particular product is. So thank you guys so much for watching. Until the next video.